Pronunciation practice. Asleep. Asleep. She had been asleep for over 3 hours. Asleep. Almond. Almond. Almond cookies are delicious. Almond. Arch. Arch. Cats arch their backs. Arch. Archive. Archive. I had to fill in a request form to get into the archive. Archive. Aspirin. Aspirin. Aspirin is a popular analgesic. Aspirin. Bait. Bait. Before he went fishing, he dug up some worms for bait. Bait. Berry. Berry. Serve the drink with a berry on top for extra effect. Berry. Big. Big. You're taking a big risk. Big. Box. Box. That box is full of goodies. Box. Busy. Busy. Everyone is busy today. Busy. Caffeine. Caffeine. I need my daily dose of caffeine in the morning. Caffeine. Calm. Calm. Let's calm down. Calm. Cash. Cash. How are you going to pay? By card or cash? Cash. Pronunciation 1. Comfortable. Comfortable. Please make yourself comfortable. Comfortable. Pronunciation 2. Comfortable. Comfortable. Please make yourself comfortable. Comfortable. Chaos. Chaos. The town was in chaos during the protests. Chaos. Cleansing. Cleansing. Baking soda has a cleansing effect. Cleansing. Catch. Catch. He ran as fast as he could to catch the ball. Catch. Cover. Cover. You should cover your mouth when you cough. Cover. Crow. Crow. A crow is as black as coal. Crow. Cruise. Cruise. It is her dream to be in a luxury cruise. Cruise. Deal. Deal. That man has to deal with all the company problems. Deal. Debt. Debt. I have paid off my personal debt. Debt. Deluxe. Deluxe. Pizza Company's Meat Deluxe is my favorite. Deluxe. Different. Different. It is totally acceptable to be different. Different. Discovery. Discovery. Discovery Channel is recommended for kids. Discovery. Education. Education. Education shouldn't be aimed at just passing a test. Education. Elephant. Elephant. An elephant can be a good zoo attraction. Elephant. Enough. Enough. There's enough food for everyone. Enough. Error. Error. A huge error was discovered in his report. Error. Experience. Experience. They say experience is the best teacher. Experience. Factory. Factory. An illegal factory ceased operation during the lockdown. Factory. Failure. Failure. Failure can teach us life's greatest lesson. Failure. Ferry. Ferry. There's a ferry that comes every couple of hours. Ferry. First. First. First of all, welcome to this international conference. First. Flour. Flour. Flour is an essential ingredient in cakes and pastries. Flour. Freeze. Freeze. One of Batman's mortal enemies is Dr. Freeze. Freeze. Genre. Genre. This song belongs to a different musical genre. Genre. Genuine. Genuine. Buy jewelry from trusted stores to make sure it's genuine. Genuine. Great. Great. That looks great, and I love it. Great. Half. Half. We sat up half the night just talking. Half. History. History. Men have done things that changed the course of history. History. Honor. Honor. It is an honor to be here. Honor. Hour. Hour. Please give me an hour. Hour. Ice. Ice. I want a chocolate ice cream. Ice. Interested. Interested. I had always been interested in pronunciation. Interested. Introduce. Introduce. Please, introduce yourself. Introduce. Iron. Iron. Iron is an important nutrient for the body. Iron. Island. Island. We'd love to go island hopping in the summer. Island. Japanese. Japanese. The Japanese are known for their hard work and love for nature. Japanese. Juice. Juice. Pineapple juice is my favorite. Juice. Labyrinth. Labyrinth. At the farm, I found it very easy to get lost in the labyrinth of corn stalks. Labyrinth. Leopard. Leopard. Derek is as fast as a leopard. Leopard. Lorry. Lorry. The second accident involved 2 cars and a lorry. Lorry. Lion. Lion. Have you ever seen a lion? Lion. Little. Little. Can you stay for a little while? little. Management. Management. Marco Polo Hotel will reopen under a new management. Management. Margarine. Margarine. Can I substitute butter with margarine? Margarine. Or margarine. Margarine. Can I substitute butter with margarine? Margarine. Math. Math. That kid is a math wizard. Math. Measure. Measure. Please measure the ingredients properly. Measure. Monarchy. Monarchy. Monarchy is the oldest form of government in the United Kingdom. Monarchy. Monk. Monk. A monk is meditating. Monk. Milk. Milk. My children love drinking milk. Milk. Naive. Naive. Don't be so naive. Naive. Near. Near. My friend's house is near the church. Near. Next. Next. The next step is unclear. Next. Nice. Nice. Wow, that bag is really nice. Nice. Oil. Oil. The world is running out of oil. Oil. Path. Path. You have to choose your own path. Path. Prize. Prize. The grand prize winner receives a gold-plated trophy. Prize. Problem. Problem. The administration has to deal with a very huge problem. Problem. Really. Really. I'm really busy. Really. Restaurant. Restaurant. Fine dining at a hotel restaurant is a great experience. Restaurant. Rice. Rice. Do you have any rice? Rice. Scarecrow. Scarecrow. I saw the scarecrow grab the boy. Scarecrow. Scythe. Scythe. He's cutting the grass with a scythe. Scythe. Shire. Shire. The total expenditure varied very much from shire to shire and from year to year. Shire. 6. 6. There are 6 sick persons in the room. 6. Shop. Shop. A shop has been closed due to the coronavirus pandemic. Shop. Slave. Slave. I refuse to be treated like a slave. Slave. Southern. Southern. Beautiful beaches in southern Thailand are worth visiting. southern. Sponge, sponge. SpongeBob SquarePants is an American animated comedy television series. Sponge. Square, square. There are 4 equal sides in a square. Square. Then, then. And then you may proceed to the next step. Then. 3. 3. 3 big trees in the park have been cut. 3. Throw, throw. Please throw your trash properly. Throw. Truth, truth. He had no choice but to accept the truth. Truth. Tub, tub. This hotel room has a bathtub. Tub. Vagabond, vagabond. Gandhi was a famous vagabond who wandered from place to place, spreading words of love, independence, and non-violence. Vagabond. Valley, valley. The river meandered gently along the valley floor. Valley. Value, value. The total value of that property has doubled. Value. Vegetable, vegetable. Vegetables contain antioxidants and fiber. Vegetable. Video, video. Thank you for watching this video. Video. View, view. The view of the ocean from my hotel room was fantastic. View. Vine, vine. There's a killer vine in my garden. Vine. Web, web. The woman was caught in a web of lies. Web. Wife, wife. My wife is a good baker. Wife. Whale, whale. A whale can stay underwater for a very long time. Whale. Zap, zap. That weapon can produce a very loud zap. Zap. Zigzag, zigzag. The stalk has a slight zigzag appearance. Zigzag.